Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today I have a 1986 BMW 635CSi. It's kind of dressed up like a M6 with the badging up front and the badging in the rear. Finished in Dolphin Gray Metallic. It's the original color. Love the body style on these cars. Just fan-freaking-tastic. It's got a real M6 spoiler on the back as well. That was purchased from a dealer in California. My client spent 5 years restoring this car. Everything is done. Air conditioning has been completely rebuilt. New. Right down to the padding under the hood. Very meticulous restoration. Dinan stage 1 chip in it. Strut tower brace. This car started out as a referee car. Here's some owner's manuals. Got a killer sound system in it. Subwoofer. There's even speakers underneath the deck down there. The lid. It's a sunroof car. Tweeters in the doors. Nice and cold. That was completely rebuilt. Such a fun car, man. Added gauges down here, volt, water, and temp, VDO. Gauge cluster has also been rebuilt. All new gears and everything in there, professionally done. It's got a cover that goes over the dash, but that's a common problem. It does have some cracking here. Stereo rocks. The suspension does work also. That's been rebuilt. Gary, could we go for a quick ride? addiction, man. I had probably 10 or so M3s, convertibles. Also, you know, I had one with a turbo on it, 550 horse.
Nice.
Yeah, fun. Drives so nice.
Speed limit's 15.
I know, you're doing like 40 before you know it. Let's get some heat. It's so cold today. It's gotta be 30 degrees. So everything works, right?
Yeah.
The suspension, the air, the seats, the computer trip module, which is pretty neat. You have the lights on, so it automatically dims. Man, no squeaks or rattles.
No, it's tight.
It is.
Oh, I did every kind of I don't know what they call
Bushings?
it, the neoprene bushings.
Yeah.
Where I could put them.
Yeah, that makes a big difference. You're tall too. What are you, 6'4"?
Just 6, I think. Last
6?
I checked, these boots are huge.
Oh.
They're like 800 milligrams of
Lift.
insulate. So
Oh, I see.
They weigh like cinder blocks too. It's not really good for driving.
You just look so tall over there, but comfortable. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give us a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 photos I took today on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.